We are going to start off this video with a little glimpse from Santa Claus, Malcolm Claus. There you go. From Malcolm Claus. He's getting a little bit of morning exercise, getting some of that energy out while I prep. This was literally the only video I got of prep because the time went by so fast. My mom came over and helped out. I'm just going to show you what my mom and my dad and me and my husband, this is what like my family presented as people came over, but everyone else brought a little something. So our counters were filled to the brim with food and desserts. It was amazing. I also made mac and cheese. I don't think I got a shot of it there. And of course, our infamous chocolate fountain. Look, the chocolate fountain is not that expensive. I found the really good dark chocolate wafers at Sam's Club as well for $6 a bag. If you don't have one, you should get one for your holiday parties. It really just adds an extra pizzazz. We have a quick shot of everyone as they kind of trickled in. I had set up a table in Malcolm's playroom. I had another long table in our living room, and I had my little round table in between, just for seating. There was a lot of people that ended up showing up. My house is big, but it's not open concept, so it's kind of hard to fit a bunch of people in there, especially with all my Christmas trees. My mom set up a couple of cute games. This was a potato game that you kind of put the potato between your legs and you have to walk it over and drop it in the bucket without touching it. It was kind of hard to play with the amount of people we had, plus Malcolm kept stealing potatoes, and it was fun. I think next year we'll try and troubleshoot and pre-prep the game so we kind of know what's going on a little bit better. This game was a hit. You have prizes under the tree. You roll the ball across and you try to get it in the cup with the corresponding number, and then you get that prize. We went from youngest to oldest, and if you missed a turn, you got right back in line. So everyone ended up with a prize. I thought this was a really good hit and fun for the kids to play. It could be fun for the adults too if you got like a longer table and more cups and made it a little bit more crazy and difficult, but it worked out. I didn't get any pictures of the table setup. I just used my own decor I had around the house to kind of decorate the tables. I felt like I have enough Christmas decor that I didn't need to go crazy with the centerpieces. This game was like get the ornament into the cup without your hands. My son was demonstrating to everyone how it was supposed to go, and this one took a long time to set up, but the game actually only lasted like less than a minute, like 30 seconds. But the point is to get everyone out of their comfort zone and just have fun. Everyone wore festive clothes and shirts. It was just a blast to hang out with everyone and see like the extended family, because it's not often we get cousins and second cousins and great aunts and everyone together. So it was really, really nice. We had a really good time. And of course, Madeline was jealous of the little ones getting to walk on the ceiling like Spider-Man. So my husband was desperately trying to get her to do that. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.